Hi, Awesome Baduk members. This is Young-Gil, a Baduk player from Korea. And from the Awesome Baduk, we are going to launch a new project, which is a training project. This is going to have a league system and review. So if you join the league, you will play games with other players within the league, and you are also going to play a game with me. And I will have a look at your games and make a 15 minutes video of the review and send you all. After that, if you have any questions, you can ask me anytime or anything. And this training project will last for 6 weeks. And in this case, I can give you more precise advice or feedback through your games because I will easily find your weakness or strong points through your regular games. If you think this project is interesting, or if you want to play games more fun and improve your level of goal, why not joining us? I hope to see you again. Bye.